let's start with the presentation and with the Mexican territory. Start with the information about what is our country, our Mexican country that we're doing business. So this is the map of Mexico. Basically, it's we have 31 states and one federal district, which is the capital of all the business corporates in the Mexico City. So basically, here you can see all the color, the entire states, and that we have a population of 127 million of people in the entire country. The surface, it's 1,064,375 kilometers, and it's a very interesting country with a different kind of cultures on the perspective.